Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best personal smoothie blender on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Ninja Fit Personal Smoothie Blender, covering its power, convenience, and everyday performance. Let's get started. Product features. Powerful 700-watt motor. The high-performance 700-watt motor with pulse technology easily blends tough ingredients, delivering smooth results for juices, shakes, and smoothies. Advanced nutrient extraction. Breaks down whole fruits and vegetables, including skins and seeds, to unlock hidden vitamins and nutrients for healthier drinks. Frozen blending capability. Effortlessly crushes ice and frozen fruits, making it perfect for frozen smoothies, milkshakes, and refreshing resort-style drinks. Single-serve convenience. Blend directly in the 16-ounce cup, then attach the spout lid and enjoy your drink on the go without extra containers. Compact and counter-friendly design. Small footprint fits easily on any countertop, making it ideal for apartments, offices, and small kitchens. Simple one-touch operation. Intuitive controls make blending quick and easy, even for beginners, with no complicated settings or learning curve. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe parts. All removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, ensuring safe use and quick, hassle-free cleanup. Versatile blending options. Perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, juices, sauces, and frozen drinks, adapting easily to different recipes and needs. Pros. Strong 700-watt motor delivers smooth results. Excellent for frozen fruits and ice. Compact and space-saving design. Easy one-touch operation. Blend-and-go single-serve cup. Dishwasher-safe, BPA-free components. Includes recipe inspiration. Cons. Limited to single-serve capacity. No speed settings beyond pulse control. Final thoughts. The Ninja Fit Personal Smoothie Blender is an excellent choice for anyone seeking power, simplicity, and convenience in a compact form. It's ideal for quick nutrition, busy mornings, and effortless frozen drinks, making healthy living easier than ever. Ready to blend smarter and faster? Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome kitchen and tech product videos.